Hello everyone, this is test 2 of the OBS green screen audio blah blah blah. Okay, what I've done differently this time is now I've created a second scene. What we're going to see right now, we have this and now we have this. Returning to this, I can go back and do some commentary and even block out the picture-in-picture, just understanding how OBS works and how the order of things change. It's really mind-blowing. Almost as if Hannibal Lecter was sitting there staring at you through plexiglass. I'm hoping that this demonstration of OBS helps you and gives you an idea of what is possible. I'm still learning myself, and I am absolutely thrilled today.